Hello all teachers, welcome to the besttutionteacher.com. This is Raj Singh once again here to explain you how to register on besttutionteacher.com as a teacher with mobile devices. So first of all, at sign up page of besttutionteacher.com as a register as a teacher page, you will see this in some input form. So you have to be fill all details carefully and then click on the sign up. So let's fill the data. Once you have filled the required data in this box, you have to be click on this checkbox. After that, click on the sign up. Once you have click on the sign up, you will see this information within the window. Please fill up all details in next step for complete the registration details has been sent to your email ID. So for the successful registration, teacher have to fill the all the details in the next step. In the next step, we will see this information, that is at this page, select all data according to you and fill the form completely. Select the desired location you want to teach in. After completing filling this step, you have to be click the next. At this page, you have to be select the subject and class for which you want to teach. Once you have selected the class and subjects according to your requirement, then click on the next. In next step, you will see this uh, profile and all the data. Fill this step also completely and with correct full information, and then click on the next submit button. In my case, major at means what is the education qualification, your complete education qualification. In my case, for this box, you can take the idea from the author's profile. So in my case, I am these fields are very measurable things to attract the parent towards your profile. So I think you can better explain yourself in these fields. Now total teaching experience. Okay, define your skills and experience. You can find this idea uh, in the another window. So I'm opening there. You can find it in FAQ section. In a FAQ section, and go to the teachers section, and then you can see that uh, what should I write in about me section of my profile. So you will get this format. This is I call it the format. So you can see this format and you can write it according to you. So in my case, I am just copying here, pasting it to this. Please don't paste it as it is. In address info, you have to be fill the correct your present correct address, and for the support of the present address, you can upload your electricity bill or your Aadhaar card, your driving license, this type of IDs. So in my case, the address of my institute is, you can also show here the nearby places, the city, select a state, pin code, country, of course, we are Indian. Submit here this final step. After that, we will get the OTP verification process. So this is the very important term. After filling all the details, OTP has been sent to your email ID. Teacher have to be fill the OTP and submit it. Okay, if you have submit OTP here and verify your profile, then obvious your profile is almost verified. But if you will not input the OTP here, then your profile will not verify. But you can also verify your profile with OTP when you log in into the teacher profile. So I'm skipping this here. Coming to the teacher login. Okay, after inputting the email ID or your mobile or the BTT ID you have received on your email ID, any of the one you can put here. Now login to your profile. Okay, once when you log in, you can see here, important notice: urgent, your email address for teacher registration is not verified. Please verify it now. So you can verify your email address here or profile with click here, and once when you click here, then you will again see the OTP blank space, and then you have to be click on the recent OTP option. When you will click on it, then OTP has been sent to your email ID, and you will again see the same page. After that, you will receive the OTP on your email ID, and then put the OTP here and verify it. So after verification, this is the menu button. Yes, this is the menu button. After clicking on it, you can see the complete options menu of this website. Dashboard, that is already you are on the dashboard. View profile, edit profile. So we have to be, that means a new teacher have to be click on the edit profile, and after that uploading the documents, that is bank details and upload documents. These two are very important. So complete to the edit profile, go to the edit profile. If anyone teacher have left something, then verify all the details here one by one, save here, and you can also upload documents here. Yes, personal information, we are already on the personal information. After that, tuition preference, you can see here I have selected the Delhi, and all the area I have selected, it is shown here. Save it again. After changing anything on the website, you have to be click on the save button at the present page. So select subject reference, what subject you want to teach. All this information already you have selected and already you have filled, that is save here. Again you can click on the save. Each and every time if you changes anything, then you have to be click on the save. Again, upload documents. I have not uploaded any documents, so ID proof, I have to be upload ID proof carefully. Right now I am not uploading here but all the teachers have to be upload a valid ID, valid address proof, the 10th mark sheet, all the required documents. If teacher have not a CV or their PAN card, so they can also, some teachers have lost their basic 10th mark sheet. But if any teacher have available all these documents, then please upload it. And if you have not these documents, that means PAN card, CV, or highest education mark sheet, then you can leave it or leave it the blank. But sorry, 10th mark sheet, yes, leave it blank. But this field 1, 2, photo also required. PAN card, yes, it is semi required. If you have, then please upload it. After that, submit this. Without submit, don't be left. Since I have not chosen any documents, that's why it is not showing. You can again come here and update the documents. You will see the same things here. If I was uploaded any documents, I'm uploading here once again. In the photo section, yes, but teacher have to be upload all the details carefully. Update here. Documents uploaded successfully. Sometimes it take times because of the data of the document is sometimes more or less, the file size is more or less, so it is depend on the file size, it will take time. So wait for that. And this is photo uploaded. Again you have to be come here and come scroll down to the bank details. So bank details, account holder name, all the details you have to be filled and submit on the button. Then now come to the dashboard. Once you have filled all the details, then you can see here what you have. This is the subscription plan, by subscription plan, our plan for teachers. You can see here. I think teachers have to be see one by one all the details on the website. then you can easily understand how the website is working. This thing, application under approval, because of to remove these things, application under approval, it needs to be approval by the admin, and admin will review all the details filled by the teachers, and then if all things got the corrected by the admin, then they will of course approve the profile. If anyone left any things and their information is not up to the mark, then admin will reject this profile, and you will see the rejection reason here, and then follow the reason and complete that, then apply again. Now admin have checked my profile, and admin rejected my profile. So in this case, if your profile is rejected due to some reason, the reason is mentioned here, that is your profile OTP not verified, that we can see here. Option upload all valid documents, then click on apply again below, button below. Yes, this is the apply again button, where once you have uploaded all the documents, all the required fields you have to be filled, and you think that your profile is completed, then and only then you have to be click on apply again. Once you have click on apply again, the request would be goes to the admin to see this profile once again. But if you click on apply again and again without completed your profile, then admin can block your profile. So I'm recommending the teachers, please don't click frequently on apply again without completing your whole registration. So this is the all the procedure for the registration. I hope you can understand completely. If you feel any problem to complete the profile or complete the registration, then you can see here on the dashboard the admin's number. Yes, this is the admin's number. Call on it and get the complete support. Thank you very much.